Baldaquí és una paraula que vol dir exactament una estructura que es posava...
Baldachin is a name given to the canopy structure over an altar. It usually had columns and was used to protect the altar and highlight its importance. In Catalonia, two kinds are preserved. The first, the baldachin with columns, or shrine baldachin, and the second, the soffit baldachin, which is only found in Catalonia and nowhere else in Europe. In fact, the soffit baldachin was a ceiling hung above the altar. It is known that Abbot Oliba commissioned two baldachins, one for Santa Maria in Ripoll, made of wood with a silver coating, and the other for San Miquel de Cuixà, which combined stone with wood and precious metals. Unfortunately, there are few examples of soffit baldachins, although they're highly representative. One of the oldest ones, found in Ribes, is displayed here in this museum, together with other somewhat later ones from the 13th century.
Aquest baldaquí plafon seria una estructura molt original que també es posava sobre l'altar i que feia com una mena de sostre.